Hi, my name's Meg and today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and simple buttercream recipe. It's a great thing to be able to do in order to be able to make your cakes look like they're professionals, even if you don't feel like a professional yourself. So first off, we've got some butter. I've got an entire block of really good quality butter here. I've let it soften, which makes things much easier when it comes to popping it in the mixer. I'm going to stick that one in there. So the texture of this is now a little bit lighter and we're going to stick 2/3 of our icing sugar in. Make sure you sift your icing sugar before you pop it in to avoid getting any lumps. So we're going to pop that one back in the mixer. So you might find that on your first go round it almost looks like breadcrumbs from where all of the butter sticks to the icing sugar. So we're going to pop a couple more tablespoons in, and then good quality vanilla extract will make all the difference too. Then you can get this in Lakeland, which is super helpful. So we're going to put one of those in there. You can put orange zest in, you can put lemon in, you can put almond essence in, or even chocolate spread, whatever you fancy to go on top of your cake. So it's still looking a little bit stiff. So what I'm going to do is going to grab my tablespoon measure and pop a couple more in of milk, just to loosen it up a little bit. So that should do it. Here it is, super light, super creamy. It's got a really silky texture to it, which would be great when we pop it on top of our cake. It is that easy to make buttercream. So here's a couple of cupcakes I did earlier. I've popped my buttercream into my piping bag, and it is so simple just to squeeze that piping bag and ice cupcakes. If you're looking for any baking stuff, go to Lakeland. They've got everything you need on there. And that's it. That's as easy as it is to make buttercream.